Hello guys and welcome to the channel. I'm your host Dr. Crypto and I'm back with a video about Algorand. You probably heard about it. If not, now you're hearing about it. So before guys we jump right into it, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, you hit the like button if you like Algorand, if you like the channel, if you like the video that I'm making, and I really appreciate it. So guys, well, as a quick description of what Algorand is, well, Algorand is a decentralized blockchain-based network that it support wide range of application, right? It's as it says, it's secure, it's scalable and efficient, right? And well, just to make you understand, it try to do the same as like Ethereum does, the same as what Solana wanna do, Cardano wanna do, Polkadot wanna do. You probably know. I mean, and of course they have some slight difference. And Algorand is, tend to be fast, cheap, and I mean, it doesn't consume energy for mining like Bitcoin does. You know, you probably are, familiar since Elon Musk has has made a crash in the market because he said that the Bitcoin is consume a lot of energy and is not kind of environmental friendly. So let's say Algorand could be a good alternative for that kind of a problem, right? But did it alone make me buying into Algorand? Not really. Another reason that came to my attention very much is the CEO of Algorand, the founder of this project, and his name is Silvio Micali. He's a professor of computer science at Massachusetts Technology Institute, and he been long time in the blockchain technology, right? He been involved in the protocol 0x. This privacy protocols and all this stuff. He was involved in it since long time, and then he came with the Algorand idea, and the first time the mainnet went live in 2019, and since then it was doing good. But of course, market, it of course it moves also with the price direction of the market in general, so it had its own up and down. So it's a nice project. It has extremely it's more important than the project. To me, was the founder of Algorand, who you can basically trust, right? So this is kinda all about Algorand that I want to tell you in the form of summary, right? So, well, as you see in the website, it's a simple website that you usually see for this kind of platform that you can build apps on them. But guys, let's be honest, right? Why did I choose Algorand? You know, we are in the middle of the alt season. It probably just started and it's not that hot yet, I believe. Of course, it depends on the Bitcoin and where the price of Bitcoin goes. If at the end of the day it appears that we are in kind of a bull trap, as Beer says, then of course we're not gonna expect altcoins also keep climbing. But if in fact we are actually in a bull market and altcoin season, which we see perfectly, I love it when I see in Binance all altcoins are green, some of them 20%, even 30%. They are up, right? You have seen what Solana has done, and you might think, why not Algorand, right? We have other projects like, for example, Avalanche, but Algorand in this case is more undervalued, I believe, and I will show you also in the chart why I'm saying that. So if we are in the alt season, then I think it's just the beginning, and this alt's gonna go crazy. If you've been in this market and you've seen the previous bull cycle, you might know how crazily these altcoins they were going, just they were flying in the sky, right? So what that I'm not only looking at the project, because in the space, when you talk from in anything similar to Ethereum, from Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, let's say Avalanche, Tezos, Algorand, whatever, they try at the end of the day do the same job, right? But the reason that we are buying into the alts, because we are in the alt season, and we have to be smart and look at the chart and see which alt is the most undervalued, and anytime it might break against Bitcoin, right? As I told you all the time, please look at the altcoin that you are interested in, I mean, against Bitcoin. See how much it gains has against Bitcoin, USDT or US dollar, whatever, really doesn't matter when it comes to an altcoin, right? So, what made me very much interested to buy into Algorand today, beside the project that I can trust and the founder that I can trust and all this stuff, and of course it's a quite famous project, and of course they raised a lot of money, when it was in its ICO and all this stuff, so it's a valid project, it's a legit project. So the thing is this line, this is ALGO BTC, right? So today we had this is in 1 hour, I'm showing first, we had a break up, right? And we were up, we just broke the line that was a resistance. We of course we had some nice right upside, then we came back and testing it, and I bought somewhere in here just when we were retesting the line. Of course now we can see it's a little bit coming lower than the line, but I've seen this in all altcoins that they were just preparing to becomes bullish. They were doing the same thing, so I'm not so much worried in case the market keep going up. This is not a big deal, it's just a retest. Even if it comes lower, am I worried? No, it could come and it could again go with the even higher strength upside, right? So what is this line? Why was it important to me? Because if you just look at it, I put this line in this way, and let me show you in daily so you can see this line. First of all, look at this. This is ALGO against BTC or Bitcoin. Look at this. Isn't it like bottom? To me, it is. If you trading, when you look at this, you don't even need to put lines. If you're really interested in some project and you want to buy into it and you believe in it, you really don't need to put lines and look at the RSI and all this stuff. But the thing is to me it looks like it bottom out, and as we are in the alt season and we are preparing for some nice gain on altcoins, so I think this is a pure buy at this moment. But also in some term I put this line also, and that's make me like feel algo is getting ready to have a nice breakout. And actually today we had some sort of the breakout. This is in the daily, and now just daily candle, the new daily candle is open since 20 minutes ago. Of course we broke through it. It's kind of a retest. I cannot judge it, I cannot tell you that this breakout is confirmed. No, it's kind of could be. If this candle take us up, then tomorrow we can be confident and say, okay, we had the breakout. If this candle turns to become red all the way down, then we might have some problems. Or in case, we have to see. We have to see, it could come down and then having some sideways and then have bigger breakup. And then if we get this confirmation, then I can tell you ALGO will probably go parabolic, and that's what ALGO community would love to see. You might want to see also ALGO against USDT. Of course, we can see that and always look at it, but for me, Bitcoin matters against an altcoin. And actually here it came to my interest so much. We had some kind of, we had also kind of a breakout in here, because look, the shape of it could be like kind of, you could even consider as a beautiful cup and handle. But the thing is, here also we had a breakout. Look at it. we had a three touch. The third touch was today that we had the breakout in the USDT. Against the USDT, the comment, I mean, the breakout is nicer than the BTC. I wish it was the opposite, but the thing is, we are just starting the new candle, and we'll see. Now at the moment it's coming down. We'll see where it's gonna take us, if it's gonna come all the way down to retest the line, or it will just continue going up from here. Anyways, I'm happy with it. Algorand, I think it's a promising altcoin to invest at the moment. And you guys, please let me know in the comment down below if you agree with me or if you disagree with me, and if you think Algorand is good, if you think other project is better than Algorand, please remind me if I need to talk about another altcoin, so that I will take a look at it and I will come back to you with updates regarding that altcoin that you are interested in. So guys, that was all I got. We having nice time with Bitcoin prices going up and all this stuff. We have some fluctuation in the market. Be careful and do not take anything in these videos or any other videos from me as a financial advice, because I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm just trying to share ideas with you, and I would expect the same from your side. Thank you guys for watching, and I wish you upcoming week will be great for the crypto and for you guys. Be blessed. Doctor out.